We're Castleberry Shutters, located in Woodstock, Georgia. As a family-owned and operated business, we pride ourselves on the highest quality customer service, treating each of our clients as if they were family. We stand firmly behind our products, as each shutter is customized to your specific need and is manufactured on premises at our shop. There are many advantages to having customized shutters installed in your home. Not only do they look great, but they also block the sun and help keep energy costs down. They provide privacy and add character to any room. Coming in any shape and size, they are guaranteed for as long as you own them. For over 57 years, we have provided homeowners with beautifully crafted, fully customized shutters. If you are interested in having one of our products installed in your home, please visit our website at castleberryshutters.com, or you can call our office at 770-926-6370. And if you wish to speak to me personally, my name is Tim Castleberry, and my cell number is 404-472-7952.